Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about modulus value. What is modulus value? The value which is always positive. The non-negative value of a given number is known as modulus value. That is, any number whose sign can be positive or negative, the mod value will always be positive. It is represented by two lines which are placed at both sides of a number. Then let us suppose the number is a, so the modulus value is represented in this way. Now we are going to discuss about some other some real value problems. Thus we can write modulus value of 4 is equal to 4 and modulus value of minus 4 must be equal to 4. That is, the non-negative value of this number is 4. Now we will discuss some examples which are related to this modulus value. Our question number 1 is 4x plus 3. Inside the modulus value, this is equal to 4. Now we will take this value. Since this value can be positive, the solution of this value can be positive or can be negative. The value inside the value inside this mod sign can be positive or negative. So we will take both options. This means that we have either 4x plus 3 is equal to plus 4 and we have 4x plus 3 is equal to minus 4. Its value can be positive. If we remove these signs, we will see that both possibilities are here. So when we solve this left portion, we will come across with x equal to 1 divided by 4, and we will when we solve this portion, we will come across x equal to minus 7 divided by 4. Now we will prove it. These two values are actually the solution set or the actual values of x that satisfy this equation. So we put a check here. In the check, we will put values of x in given equation, or we can write the given equation as equation number 1. So 4 into 1 over 4 plus 3 in the mod value must be equal to 4. This cancels and we have 4 mod value which is always positive, and this is true. This is true. While for x equal to minus 7 divided by 4, we have minus 7 divided by 4 multiply with this 4 plus 3, it will give us 4, or we have minus 7 plus 3 mod value. This is equal to 4 minus 4 mod value. This must be equal to 4, and we have mod value of minus 4 is always equal to 4, which is also true. So both the values, which is true. So both the values satisfy the given equation. So we have solution set of this equation, this modulus equation, as 1 divided by 4 and minus 7 divided by 4. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.